Hello guys, good morning. Right now I'm standing in front of my office gate, and I would like to share something. It have been raining for 2 hours. Uh, the weather is too cold and damp. The road is full of water and slippery. It's like having rain in uh, in such a winter season. It's really difficult for the people who go to office and go to works. It's really difficult for them. The rain is not taking the name of. It's just, but I feel enjoy whenever I I love rain, because whenever I see rain, or whenever I see rain, it's really make me feel so good, so fresh. And having rain for a long time, mm, uh, in country like Kuwait, um, like in a Middle East country, having rain, it's really rare. It's really rare, and I just feel so good. I feel so fresh, and whenever I see it's having rain, so that's why I'm here making a video to share with you guys. Yeah, it's having rain finally. And you wanna see the roads? I'm in front of my office, and there is no one. Everyone is hiding. uh, I did under the shade. Yeah, I'm only one who is making video here and talking to you in English. You wanna see something? Yes, I'm going to show you. Even here you can see the road is full of water. The road is full of water, and I even can't go outside because it's raining. And if I go outside, I will, or my full dress will soak in the water. So I, at, I'm working in my office, so I would not like to soak my dress and my hair in water or in rain. And also I think the water of rain is really cold. uh, I'd like to share something. This is winter season in Kuwait. So, and and also having rain during the winter season. So overall, it's so cold. See, I'm I'm just wearing a jacket, and it's like, bye bye. I can't talk anymore. I'm totally empty, but I will try to talk. I'll try to boost my confidence. I will share things with you guys.